From emotional melodies to fiery feuds, Trippie Redd has become a storm in the world of hip-hop. But behind the tattoos and wild hair lies a journey full of struggle, passion, and millions in the bank. So, how did Trippie Redd rise to fame, and what's the real story behind his net worth? Trippie Redd, the name echoes in the hip-hop scene as a symbol of raw emotion and rebellious energy. With hit songs, controversies, and an ever-growing fan base, he's one of the most unpredictable yet successful artists of his generation. Let's dive deep into the life, career, and lifestyle of Trippie Redd. Born as Michael Lamar White II on June 18, 1999, in Canton, Ohio, Trippie Redd's early life was far from glamorous. He grew up in a tough environment, primarily in Columbus, alongside his siblings. His mother played a huge role in shaping his musical taste, filling the house with sounds of Ashanti, Beyoncé, Tupac, and Nas. But tragedy struck in 2014 when his older brother, known as Dirty Redd, died in a car accident. This heartbreaking event deeply affected Trippie and pushed him further toward music as an emotional outlet. Inspired by his brother and local artists like Lil Tay, Trippie started uploading his tracks online at just 15, laying the foundation for his explosive career. Trippie's life took a sharp turn when he moved to Atlanta after high school. There, he met rapper Lil Wop, who introduced him to professional recording studios. Their collaboration sparked a creative fire, leading to the release of early projects like Awakening My Inner Beast and Beast Mode. But it was his debut studio album, Life's a Trip, in 2018 that truly launched him into stardom, debuting at number 4 on the Billboard 200. His single, Dark Knight Dummo, featuring Travis Scott, became a major hit, climbing charts and cementing his place in mainstream hip-hop. Despite success, Trippie wasn't free from controversy. His public feuds with artists like 6ix9ine and XXXTentacion kept him in the headlines. In 2019, 6ix9ine even testified that Trippie Redd was a member of a rival gang called 5'9 Brims. These controversies, however, only fueled his fame further. With fame came fortune. Although public sources estimate Trippie Redd's net worth at around $5 million, he once claimed in private messages to Celebrity Net Worth that it's closer to $16 million. While unverified, it's clear that his lifestyle reflects serious wealth. Trippie splurges on designer clothes, extravagant jewelry, and luxury experiences that mirror his wild persona. His music videos often showcase high-end aesthetics, adding to his larger-than-life image. Trippie Redd's love for flashy cars is no secret. His collection boasts luxury vehicles that turn heads wherever he goes. From sleek Lamborghinis to roaring McLarens, and even customized Rolls-Royces, his garage is a testament to his success. Each car isn't just transportation, it's a statement of his status and personality, bold, fast, and unmissable. When it comes to living large, Trippie doesn't hold back. He owns a lavish mansion that matches his eccentric style. The sprawling property features modern architecture, luxurious interiors, and plenty of space for creative inspiration. Whether it's studio sessions at home or wild parties, his mansion perfectly complements his superstar lifestyle. Beyond the fame, Trippie has shown moments of generosity. He's been involved in charity initiatives and has used his platform to support mental health awareness, especially after losing friends and fellow artists to violence and addiction. He understands the weight of his influence and occasionally steps up to make a positive impact. Trippie Redd's personal life has been just as colorful as his music. He's been linked with several high-profile relationships, often sharing glimpses of his romantic life on social media. While controversies have surrounded his love life, they've also kept fans intrigued and invested in his journey both on and off the stage. There have been false rumors about Trippie Redd's passing over the years, fueled by internet hoaxes and misunderstandings. But to set the record straight, Trippie Redd is very much alive and continues to make waves in the music industry, silencing the noise with every new release. From the streets of Ohio to global stages, Trippie Redd's journey is a wild ride of heartbreak, hustle, and hard-earned success. With millions in the bank, a life of luxury, and a loyal fan base, his story is far from over. Whether it's chart-topping hits or headline-making drama, Trippie Redd proves time and again that he's here to stay. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Trippie Redd's life and fortune, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more stories about your favorite artists. Until next time, stay tuned and keep vibing to the music.